Magkano nga ba ang first PMS ng isang big bike, lalong-lalo na ang BMW sa S1000XR natin? Guys, price reveal tayo para may karoon kayo ng idea. So, eto na guys, no, price reveal tayo sa ating first PMS. Description of services. So, ang unang-unang ginawa nila yun, no, yung BMW running in check, oil change in engine with filter, cleaning and adjusting chain. So, in-adjust pa nila yung chain natin. Performing vehicle tests with BMW motor. Advantech Ultimate. So, ito siguro yung oil niya, no? Tapos, oil filter, gasket ring, motard, yung brand, brake cleaner, saka chain spray. Ayan guys, with a total amount of, grabe naman to, 12,539.32. Guys, first PMS pa lang yan, mas mahal pa kaysa sa 4 wheels.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
BMW pa more.